Hey guys, welcome back to my channel STOCKSSIDE. And no, today I am not giving any stocks tip. Instead, I am giving to show you how you can pick the right stock all by yourself. Yes, without asking your broker friend or getting trapped in a telegram tips. This video is a super useful for anyone who wants to become an independent in a stock selection. So please don't skip. You can watch at 1.5 speed if you want, but skipping even a single part might cost you a good opportunity tomorrow. Let's jump in. I am using the website screener.in and this is not a sponsor video. You can clearly see my subscriber count. It is just a 291. I am not even eligible for a free coffee mug from these websites. Forget a sponsorship. Okay, now open a screener.in, click on the tools icon and click on the create a stock screen. Okay, here we are going to enter a simple query to filter a quality stocks. Don't worry, I will explain each part as we go, and we are not blindly copying anything. Everything has a logic behind it. Let's start building the query step by step and we will go by priority. Okay, first and most important, return on equity. It has to greater than 12, and return on capital employed ROCE, it has to greater than 12 because we want a companies that use their money wisely. Higher ROE and ROCE means higher efficiency, right? Then comes profit growth, it has to greater than 10, sales growth, it has to greater than 10, and sales growth 3 years, it has to greater than 10. If a company is not growing in a profit and a sales, then there is a no point. We want a both rising sales and profit, not just a flashy logos. Okay, next, OPM, operating profit margin, it has to greater than 10. This shows how much the company earns after covering core expenses. A high margin means strong control over operations. After that, debt to equity ratio, it has to less than 1. Okay, low debt means the company is not borrowing too much, less chances of collapse when the market turns volatile, right? Now market capitalization, it has to less than 1000. Okay, we are not looking for a completely penny junk stocks. We need early stage or a micro cap companies or a penny stocks with some foundation or potential, right? Now for the quarterly performance, I am selecting YOY quarterly sales growth, it has to greater than 5. Okay, it helps you know how they are performing right now, not just historically. Okay, then comes a big money promoter holding, it has to greater than 40. If the owners are holding more than 40%, they believe in their own company, that's a strong trust signal, right? Also, FII holding, it has to greater than 0, and DII holding, it is also has to greater than 0, because when institutions invest, they do their homework. It is not a random entry. They will analyze it more than we ever will, right? Now, to avoid a red flags, I selecting pledged percentage, it has to less than 10, right? High pledging is a risky. We want a promoter who are not mortgaging their shares, right? Then look at the long-term growth, sales growth 3 years, I will set it as a greater than 10. This shows consistency, not just a one lucky year. We want a companies that grow steadily over time. Okay, and value matters, right? I'm selecting a value 1 year average, it has to greater than 10,000. Okay, even if the stock is good, if it is a illiquid, you may not be able to enter or exit easily, right? Also check value 1 month average. Okay, it has to greater than 3000 because recent trading actively should also be there, not just a past glory, right? Finally, add this to complete strength check. Okay, and of course, to stay true, if the penny stocks theme, I am selecting here current price. Okay, I'm selecting current price, it has to less than 50. Okay, we are looking for affordable gems, stock price under 50 that still show promise. Okay, you can copy the exact query or tweak the numbers based on your risk level, but this is the solid foundation to build your own screener. I'm pasting the links on my comment section and description, please check it out. Okay, after okay, I will run this. Okay, it's showing unknown word, it has telling 10,000 current price. Yeah, I'm forget to add here and. Okay, you have to click and button on every time. Okay, so now I will run this query. Yeah guys, you can check it out, there are plenty stocks are coming here, there are plenty stocks are there, like Nisus Finance are there, their current market price is 301 rupees, share are the company, it has a 76 rupees, Trom will be there, Ztech will be there. So before buying any stock you have to check the fundamentally strong or not. These stocks, there are fundamentally and technically you have to analyze each stock before buying any stocks. Okay, and guys, if you found even 1% value in this video, please subscribe. I'm just getting started with a honest and simple market videos, and I need your support to grow this 291 to 1000 subscribers and beyond. Subscribe now and be your own boss while trading stocks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.